Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel that I haven't posted on for probably a year now. Today I'm going to be doing a Sally's Beauty unboxing. My mom and I ordered a ton of stuff from their website because we each need to do our hair, and I'll also show me doing my hair either tonight or tomorrow, but I'll make it into one video. So I have a lot of that. Oh, this one is mine. I needed a bleach brush because I have one for my roots, but I don't have one for the rest of my hair, so it takes forever to do the length of my hair only using the roots brush. I dyed my hair actually at the beginning of quarantine, bleached and toned it, and it's more honey blonde now. You can see this piece is still pretty light, and my roots are starting to go back in, so I just wanted to get my roots touched up and also lighten the rest of my hair a bit. I got this Color Charm powder lightener from Wella, but it's pretty much the same thing. This is the generic, oh, it spilled a little. It's like Shimmer Light's purple shampoo, except it's the generic product, Sally's brand. The next thing is for my mom, just a little small eyeshadow pencil brush. And she also got, let's see, this flat concealer brush. I know she really likes their brushes, so they must work well. The next thing that I got, ooh, that looked like it spilled a little bit, is this 30 volume cream developer. I'm going to be using this on my roots mixed with the bleach powder, and then I think what I'm going to do is mix my 30 volume and my 10 volume developer that I already have to make 20, and then put that on the rest of my hair since that's already lightened. Next things I got are these 3 Luminous Shine hair color. The last 2 things I got are toners. Is it missing one? Okay, so I originally ordered 2 toners. One was Wella T18, which I have right here, and the other one was an ion toner in bright icy white, and it looks like it didn't come in the package, so I have to see where that's at, because my plan was to mix them together, but it looks like I'm just going to be using the T18 toner. And the last thing that we got was this nail strengthener. Okay, guess not. Since that's everything that we ordered that actually showed up, let's get on to the hair dyeing. So I'm in my bathroom just using my phone instead of my actual camera because it's easier and I don't want any water getting on my camera or anything. The first thing I did was move out everything that could be stained, like our rug and stuff. I put on a crappy t-shirt, and right now I have my 30 volume developer, my bleach, and my bowl. What I decided to do is I'm going to do 30 volume developer on the length of my hair, wait 15 minutes, put it on the roots, and then let it sit, wash it off, and then I'll do the toner. So I put you guys at this angle so you can see the back of my head when I'm doing that, and then I'll move my phone to the front when I get to the top. For 1 scoop of bleach, I'm putting in 1 scoop of developer. You want to make sure to mix it, at least this bleach, in a non-metallic bowl. So I just grabbed a plastic like takeout bowl. Okay, so you can see I finished putting the bleach on the length of my hair. The hair at the back here is already starting to turn white, so instead of waiting 15 minutes, I'm gonna go and do all my roots now, starting at the bottom, work my way to the top. So excuse the bathroom lighting, but this is where we're at right now before the toner. It's like almost white, which is exactly what I want before putting the toner on, so it's as light as possible. now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix this in the bowl with 1 part of 10 volume developer and 1 part 30, because together these will make 20, and you need the ratio of toner to developer to be 1 to 2. So I forgot to mention with the toner, I'm doing roots to ends instead of like doing ends then the roots. And I just put it into 4 sections, about to do my last section, and then leave it in for like half an hour. So this is the final result in natural lighting. I'll actually get on a stool because I'm short. Okay, so this is the result. I'm just like right outside my window, and I could not have asked for a better result. This is the hair color I've always wanted. I feel like super chic and a totally brand new person, and I'm obsessed with it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.